Good morning, friend. Today we are going to discuss about the safety management system. 5 steps to go ahead safety management at your workplace. So, guys, if you are a safety professional and also working in construction company as a safety manager position officer and leading the all aspect inside the occupational health safety management system, that you should know that how to management of safety at your workplace. So guys, if you are going to proper safe system implementation at your workplace, then we can plan to proper occupational health safety management system. So guys, there is 5 steps we will discuss about. The first will be planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and improving means controlling. Improving and controlling, both are same. So guys, first we have to plan. If you are going to a good safety management system at your organization and at your workplace, then we should know that first prepare your planning. Planning is a very important part if you are going to organize them. First we have to plan. First, what will be planned? First things will be company OHS policy, company safety policy. We need to safety policy, procedures of work, how to work, procedure to work, method statement like HIRA, hazard identification risk assessment at your workplace. First we should plan that. Environment aspect and impact, this is also part of planning. If you are going to start any commitment to work at your organizations, then you should know that environmental issue, others the area. If you are going to some construction work near the many tree is there, how to cut the all tree. Because of this is a legal legislations and approvals should be need by government body. So environment aspect and impact, inspections checklist. If you have a many cranes, many mechanisms and electrical equipments, so guide inspections checklist should be there, which are required at your workplace. After that, proper safety procedures, which are discussed about the procedures like incident, accident investigations, and COVID. Nowadays COVID is a very high risky and very disaster management by government already declared. So we have to plan that hierarchy, HIRA, we have to plan that. So guys, if you are going to a good safety management system at workplace, implementations of good safety health culture at workplace, then we should consider on each and every step to first plan. If you are a new commitment, new constructions start, new project start, then also consider about all those criteria which are required at your workplace. Suppose that logistic plan, also you know that what is logistic plan, why need to logistic plan? Because of man, materials, equipments and building, everything is designed in one drawing papers. Where is our toilets, where will be provided the urinal point, where will be provided the DG RMC plants, everything, entire projects set up in logistic plans, and that also call a site layout plan. So guys, this is all are mandatory if you are going to start the activity, start the any new project at your workplace, like infrastructures. If you have need to be labor policy, legal requirements, suppose that labor license, BOCW registrations, WC policy, and first qualified resources like first aid centers, infrastructures related the safety, ambulance, you know that ambulance and first aid room, first safety office, and everything entire planning should be proper. If you have not plan, then we cannot, you have not implemented proper safety management, proper safety culture at your workplace. So guys, planning is a very important part of work. This is also part of work. If you have no any plans proper, then there cannot any thing proper achievement your target at your workplace, or there cannot improvement proper health safety management system at your workplace. So guys, first planning is very important. After that, organizing. If you have a plan, then you can go through the organize at your workplace. If you are going to organize the work at your workplace, then need to be considered about your plan. If you have make a HERA, there is maintain some requirements and control measures. Then read the HERA, read the hazard identification, risk assessment, read the procedures, read the process of work, and then we can start the work at your workplace. After that, if any some deviations need on workplace, then need to be replan your HERA. So guys, after that planning, first part is planning, the second part is organizing. So organizing, if you are going to organize the work, you should need the staff. We need to be staffing. If you are staffing, means first planning, second part of organizing. If you are going to organize the work, then need to be your resources. Resources means staff, workers, and every resources you have to require that for right job to right work. If you are going to work of scaffolding erection work at your workplace, then you should consider the dedicated scaffolding supervisors, related the experience of supervisors. If you are going to scaffolding erection, then you have to deploy the concrete supervisor. That is not matter. Your plan will be not successful. You have not achieved a good health safety culture at your workplace. So guys, if you are going to dedicated work, then deploy the manpower who has experience related the scaffolding work, related the work. So specify the work, and dedicated supervisors, experienced supervisors should be deployed at workplace. If suppose that supervisors, suppose scaffolder helpers, then we can achieve the plan. So guys, first is planning, second is organizing, and staffing. After that, going to directing. If you have deployed the manpower, deploy the everything as per required, then need to be checked your competency levels. We have to provide it. You have to everything deploy. Then need to check the competency levels, and organize and direct the proper observations. If you have any observations related the work, then we can share and share with you all workers and supervisor, and need to improvement his competency levels and boost the morals to work properly at your workplace. Because of that safety is a very affectable. Every times that every times need to be practice and proper monitoring supervisions. Everything will be continue. Safety is non-stop at any entire world. Every times need to be safe, need to be thinking of safe. Proper continuous awareness programs also conducted, then we can improvement the a good health safety cultures. After that, directing, that what is the procedures of directing. Suppose that you have to you have deploy the 5 safety officer, 2 safety officers need to be checked in morning basis by site safety tours, SOT safety tour, safety observations tour. Like you have to monitor that on daily basis, and instruct to workers, instruct to your staff, to guide to staff how to implement a safety cultures if any gap found at side. Under every observations need to be records and in returns, if possible to take in written by concerned staff, then we can improvement a good health safety cultures. After that, SOT, after that going to discuss in safety committee meetings. Also we have implementation. We have also conducted safety committee meetings, weekly safety meetings, progress safety meetings. Also all part of all your observations share in the way of trainings, way of meetings, way of weekly safety meetings. Also share the all safety observation with your managements. Then we can share with your management. Then we can control the health safety, control and improvement occupational health safety management system at your workplace. So guys, directly after that, improving. One example share with you, share with you. We face a problems related to the near miss and accident at our workplace. Yesterday we have observed one accidents, non-serious near miss, non-serious injury case observed in our workplace. Some 2 workers were engaged to insert plate removing work by hammering at 11th floor. There is some mistake to slip 40 mm and 200 mm size of insert plates fell down from 11th floor to ground podium levels. There was no any workers engaged in near the work area where is fall down of insert plate. But what will be mistakes? We have to learn that. We have provided the safety net, but safety net not proper catch the material which are fall from height. Because of this is a gap, we have to observe and proper analysis and investigations done. After that, finding root cause. If you have to provide it safety net, how to insert plate fall down from 11th floor to ground floor. So this is a investigations way to analysis of root cause. Because of safety net was not proper installed, with there is some gap found. So this is not meaningful. You have to provide safety net and fall of material throughout the safety net. So guys, first learn, after that we have learned that from that accident, whenever conduct a safety meetings with all entire workers which are involved to work at 11th floors. Many people involved in that work, like 6 7 people. So but then we have a we have arranged a safety meeting with all workers, then properly advise and properly ask to someone's everyone's how to incident happen in workplace. Nobody agree to who agree to declares agree to accept that near miss happen by myself, but there is no ready to ask me. But we have to motivate that all of workers. Then workers already he agree to these are near miss happen with me. We have some mistakes. So after that after that investigations, there was found of incompetent workmanship. Because of this is work of work by carried out by a mason, but there is no deploy of masons helper. So they was not aware about the falling of material from height. So we have to implement that. If you are going to observe, if you are going to directing, then need to be considers your each and every near miss an accident happen at your workplace. Then learn from accident and retrainings all workers and share all incident and accidents with all employee and project team. So we can improve our gap, improve our poor safety management system which are face the problem at our workplace. So guys, if you are going to a good health safety cultures implementation at site, then consider planning, organizing, staffing and directing and improving. 5 step is very strong management system if you are going to proper implementations at your workplace. So guys, if you have to need to for a proper good health safety cultures, then proper monitorings, measurings, inspections of equipments, continuous safety awareness training, motivational programs, encourage the all workers, and well collaborations of contractor safety officers and PMC safety managers. Well collaborations should be all entire projects. Then we can improve a good health safety culture. Because if you are not going to a good teamwork, there is no possibility to implement a good health safety culture at your workplace. So guys, if you are going to you want to good health safety culture, kindly follow these 5 steps at your workplace, and continuous improvement by your new technology, by others idea which are if you are going to conduct a toolbox talk, then also consultant of workers, consultant of interested party, consultant of interested party and government body which are interested to your organizations, time to time ask the some improvement, how to improvement at our workplace. So guys, thanks all of you.